Is your closet starting to grow? Do you open it from time to time and think, whoa, last time I saw you, you were this tall. Now, you're this tall. Well, friends, I'm here to tell you today that you are not alone. I was hired today to help millions of people just like you at home get your closets decluttered and your life too. I've worked with a few celebs back in my day. Hey, all from across the globe. I'll insert pictures right here. So class, why don't we just get started? I hope you have your handy dandy closet and all your clothing items ready, because today we are not only going to tackle some clothes, we are going to tackle some deep-rooted problems that a lot of us Americans have. Keeping clothes we do not need, okay? I know, I have the same problem too. So for starters, I want to let you guys know that I'm going to be dividing my clothes up into two piles. One pile is for Goodwill. The second pile is for reselling, because gotta make a buck or two somehow, you know, YouTube's not paying yet. So what I did was find this handy dandy 5-piece French wardrobe basic list, I guess. And I'm just gonna base my clothing off of this. So it looks like I can have 5 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of pants, 3 pairs of shorts, 4 pairs of short sleeves, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I just wanna say that my closet is a mess, like a mess, okay? I have so many clothing items, and that's why I'm trying to get rid of everything, because yeah. So first we're actually going to tackle the clothes that are in the middle, and because I have a lot of clothes that are in the bin. So we'll tackle that first, and then we'll tackle the clothes that are hanging up, because there's a lot less of these clothes and we gotta get to the nitty gritty first. Ooh, guys, I wanna show you guys these Vans though while I'm cleaning. This is why I never get cleaning done. Like, look at these cute Vans. These are sick. I got these from Ross actually. These were a Ross find. Like, I like the fact that they're like, I mean, it was cool the fact that they were orange, I guess. But like, I don't know, I'm trying to like experiment with more colors, so yeah. First, I want to show you guys my messy closet, cause, all right guys, this is the closet. There's clothing everywhere. It's just so messy that I need to get rid of everything. What the? Do you guys see that? What's that? Huh? So I'm just gonna pull out an item and show you guys it, and then I'm gonna let you guys know if it's gonna go in the keep or delete pile. Keep or delete. There are these vintage pants that are like this, and the bottom of them, I think I should keep. Okay, this is how I get myself in trouble, because I'm gonna try to say that for everything. Like, I'm gonna try to really say, I think I should keep for everything, and it's not gonna work out. Okay, for now, we'll keep them for now. So, these will be a maybe for now. How about that? Okay, keep or delete. Oh my gosh, these are keep, of course. What am I thinking? I almost deleted my favorite pair of jeans. What the? After keep, I'm putting them up here. Do I even wear skinny jeans anymore? I'm always thinking like, okay, maybe I'll keep one pair just in case I have like to dress like a nice girl. You know what I mean? Like, I don't even know if that makes sense, but if that makes sense to anyone, then you know what I mean. So on that note, I think I'll keep. Keep. Yeah, this is gonna be deleted. I never even wore this shirt really. It just reminds me of like a country farmer girl shirt. And I used to really like this kind of style, but like, I don't know. It's delete now. It's just a flannel from Target. I've had this for so long and it needs to be deleted. Okay, these can be deleted for sure. These are just some bootcut jeans, but like, I don't like how they make my legs look. Okay, so this next shirt's not even mine, but I want to delete it so badly. Like, I want to delete it so hard because I hate whoever thought it was a good idea to make a shirt like this. Who thought it was a good idea to put a tuxedo on a shirt? Like, I'm deleting this. So depop. This can get deleted. for sure. Delete. It's just a shirt like this. Oh, you're making this so much heavier. Okay, scarf. I obviously gotta keep that. Like, it doesn't get cold like that in California, but it's cute, so I gotta keep it. And obviously I'm not gonna stay in California forever. I am deleting these. I'm sorry, but these have ran their course and they can go now. They're like these, like, I don't know, they're like pleather, and they have, like, when you put them on, they look cool because they look like they're like stretched out. Like, I explain things so weirdly. This is quality from the 80s, so you know what that means. Keep. And then I'm gonna keep this. This is just a typical white blouse from H&M, and it's sheer, very sheer, and I'm keeping it. Okay, so this next shirt, it's a pretty raggedy shirt, but it's one of those shirts like I'm just not gonna get rid of because I don't know, I just like this shirt so much. I feel like it's just, it's a little smelly too, but it's just like, I don't know, it's a very like vintage-y looking shirt to me. It just says Battle of the Paddle, and then the back of it is like this, and there's like a little bit of holes in it. I mean, it's old. Here's just a black sweater. I got it at a camp. I don't know if I should keep it or delete it, just because of the fact that I don't really have crew neck hoodies. That leaves me wondering, what should I do? What should I do with it? Keep or delete, keep or delete. Okay, I think it'll be a maybe for now. Underwear. Don't look at my chonies. First bin down, 3 more to go. I don't know if I should keep this. See, the thing is, I want to keep this just because where I work, I have to wear red. Obviously, you can probably tell where I work, Target. I'll keep it for now, just because if anything, I'll try to rework it. You know, maybe cut it up a little bit. If I hate it still, then I'll just delete it. I don't know if I should keep or delete this. I was trying to like get this shirt when I was trying to be like on my like boss lady vibes, but like still Y2K, you know, because, you know, obviously. I like how there's like a tie though, how you can cinch the back. I feel like this would be cute. Like, I'll keep for now, but it's gonna go on the maybe. Maybe. I think it's time to finally let this shirt go. This shirt has brought so many memories to me. Like, I've had this shirt since 10th grade, I think. If you don't know, by the way, I'm 22. I got this shirt from Free People, and it's just one of those shirts where I don't know, it's something about this shirt that I loved so much. And it's honestly such a good quality. Quality of this is phenomenal. I can't even talk about it. You know, I think I'll keep it because it is one of those great quality t-shirts, and since I am talking about sustainability, I'm gonna need to have more good quality. So I'll keep this as one of the shirts. I'll do that. Keep. I'm so sorry, Ballet Pants, but it is your time to go. So these pants are going. Like, look, why? What was I even thinking when I bought these? They look little noodles. Like, they literally look like a hair tie almost that I could just like put on my, like, what the, why does it look like that? Okay, these are being deleted. Delete. Alright, I'm sorry, you little bustier, or whatever you're called. I don't know, but you're going. Bye-bye. Ooh, she knew. Yeah, she knew. So, I got this one actually when I was in Finland. From H&M, but it's just this dress, and I think I'm gonna keep her for now, just because she hasn't even been worn yet. Ooh. Oh my gosh, my cat just pooped and it smells so bad. But guys, I got this because it just reminded me of something like interestingly weird, but like cool kind of. So, if you guys are probably wondering by now, why am I sitting in this bin? I'm sitting in this bin because I got tired. So I'm taking a break, guys. I'm taking a break from this whole minimalism thing right now. Okay, honestly, this video is gonna need to be done in 2 parts. I have way too many clothes and I don't know what I thought I was doing, trying to just do this all at once. Like, who do I think I am? I'm gonna take a break. We're gonna go on a little hiatus, just a little one. This was just me really just putting my foot into minimalism, okay? I'm not all the way there yet, but it was just me just stepping my toe into it, you know, just checking the waters of it.